If you want to remove a page border in Microsoft Word, this video will walk you through the quickest way to do it in just a few clicks. This is a really useful fix if your document has an unwanted border around the page and you want to make it look clean, simple, and professional again. Whether the border was added by accident or you no longer need it, the process is very easy once you know where to look. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Word tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once your file is open, look at the ribbon at the top of the screen and click the Design tab. The Design tab is where Word keeps many of the page formatting options, including page background tools and border settings. If you do not see it right away, just take a moment to find it along the top menu. After clicking Design, look for the Page Borders option. This is the setting that controls the border around your page. When you click Page Borders, a new window will appear with different border options and styles. This is where Word lets you choose whether you want a border, what kind of border it is, and how it should appear. Now, to remove the border completely, select None. Choosing None tells Microsoft Word that you do not want any page border at all. This is the key step that removes the border from your document. Once None is selected, double-check that you are applying it to the correct document or section if needed, especially if you are working with a longer file. After that, click OK to confirm the change. Word will apply the setting and the page border should disappear right away. If you still see something on the page, make sure you are looking at an actual page border and not another design element such as a shape, table outline, or header graphic. Sometimes those can look similar, but they are edited in different places. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've removed the page border in Microsoft Word by going to the Design tab, opening Page Borders, selecting None, and clicking OK. This is a simple but very handy skill, especially if you regularly format documents for school, work, or personal use. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.